Guys, if your phone has become slow and you want to improve its speed, then keep watching this video because in this short tutorial I'll show you some simple settings that can make your Android phone faster and smoother. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Method 1. Enable developer options. First of all, go to your phone settings. Now scroll down and open About Phone. Then tap on Version. Here you'll see an option called Build Number. Tap on Build Number 7 times continuously. As soon as you tap it 7 times, developer option will be enabled on your phone. Now go back to Settings. Use the search bar at the top and type developer options. When it appears, tap on it and open it. Now scroll down and find these three options: Window Animation Scale, Transition Animation Scale, and Animator Duration Scale. Reduce all three settings from 1x to 0.5x, or you can turn them off if you want. By doing this, the animation on your phone will reduce and your phone will feel much faster and smoother. Method 2. Improve performance. Now again go back to developer options. Scroll down and find the option called Lower Buffer Size, then tap on it. You'll see a pop-up window where 256 KB is usually selected by default. You can change it to 8M or 16M. This small change may help improve your phone's performance and speed, and your phone can run more smoothly than before. So guys, that's how you can make your Android phone faster using these simple settings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.